Welcome to Asharfa English.
Hi,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Emma. What's yours?
My name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
How are you today?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I am fine. Thanks for asking.
That's great to hear.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old. And you?
I am 23.
Just 1 year older than me.
Yes. Where are you from?
I am from New York. And you?
I am from Chicago.
Oh, I have never been there.
It's a nice city. You should visit.
I would love to someday.
Do you live in New York now?
Yes, I do.
Do you like living there?
Yes, it's busy but fun.
I understand. Big cities are exciting.
Yes, but sometimes noisy.
That's true. What do you do?
I am a student. And you?
I am a student too.
What do you study?
I study computer science.
That sounds interesting.
It is. What about you?
I study graphic design.
That's cool. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I love being creative.
That's great. Do you draw?
Yes, I draw and design logos.
Impressive. I'm not good at drawing.
That's okay, you're good at computers.
That's true. Where do you study?
I study at New York University.
Nice. I study at the University of Chicago.
That's a great school.
Thank you. Do you like your university?
Yes, I really do.
Do you live in a dorm?
Yes, I share a room with a friend.
That must be fun.
It is. We cook together.
I cook too sometimes.
What do you like to cook?
Pasta and eggs, mostly.
Yum. I love pasta.
Me too. Do you like pizza?
Of course. Who doesn't?
Do you speak any other languages?
I speak a little Spanish.
That's nice. I speak some French.
Wow. French is beautiful.
Yes, but hard to learn.
Spanish is hard too.
Practice makes perfect.
That's true.
Do you travel a lot?
Not much, but I want to.
I love traveling.
Where have you been?
I visited Canada and Mexico.
Nice. I've only been to Canada.
Did you like it?
Yes, very beautiful and clean.
I agree. What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies and read books.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I read every day.
What kind of books?
Suspense and mystery.
I prefer science fiction.
Cool. It's fun too.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, 3 times a week.
That's healthy.
I try to stay fit.
I jog in the mornings.
That's a good habit.
Do you like sports?
I like tennis and swimming.
I play soccer.
That's fun.
Yes, it keeps me active.
Do you play every week?
Yes, every Sunday.
That's great.
Do you work part-time?
Yes, at a coffee shop.
That sounds fun.
It is. I meet many people.
I work at a bookstore.
That's a nice place too.
I enjoy the quiet.
Me too.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, one younger brother.
I have 3 sisters.
Big family.
Yes, it's noisy at home.
I can imagine it.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax or go out with friends.
That's nice.
What about you?
I watch movies or play games.
Fun hobbies.
Do you like video games?
A little. I play sometimes.
That's cool.
What games do you like?
Racing and adventure games.
My brother plays those too.
We would get along.
I think so.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, it's my favorite thing.
Good. Many people love it.
What about you?
Only sometimes.
That's fair.
Do you cook with your family?
Yes, on weekends.
That sounds fun.
We make traditional food.
I would love to try that.
Maybe one day.
Are you a morning person?
No, I love sleeping in.
Nice, me too.
Mornings are hard.
Yes, especially in winter.
So true.
Do you like cold weather?
Not really.
I prefer warm weather too.
Summer is the best.
Yes, beach time.
I love the ocean.
Me too. Swimming is fun.
Very relaxing.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, a cat.
I have a dog.
I love dogs too.
What's your cat's name?
My cat's name is Luna.
Wow, it's a cute name.
Thanks. What's your dog's name?
His name is Max.
It's adorable.
It's fun talking with you.
Same here.
Let's talk again soon.
I would love that.
Have a nice day, Emma.
You too, Alex.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.